Potentiometer. Potentiometer is a device, is one such a device which does not draw any current from the circuit. Potentiometer is a device which does not draw any current from the circuit, that is potentiometer. It acts as an ideal voltmeter. It acts as ideal voltmeter. Means here we know about the potentiometer, we know about the, so it can measure only potential difference, PD, as well as EMF. So it is like a voltmeter. We know about the difference between voltmeter. So now this one is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This voltmeter, so it measure about only terminal PD. Voltmeter V is measure only terminal PD, terminal potential difference it can be measured. But in potentiometer, with the help of this, it can measure volt indirectly. Potentiometer that can be measure a PD, potential difference, indirectly, not directly. So now this one is a difference. So now see, so what is a potentiometer? Potentiometer is a device which does not draw any current from the circuit. It acts as an ideal voltmeter. It is used for accurate measurement of potential difference. Accurate measurement of potential difference. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा आहे की या ठिकाणी आपल्याला ॲक्युरेट मेजर पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स या ठिकाणी मेजर करता येतं. हा झाला पोटेन्शियोमीटर. ओके. So now when you can see about this in a circuit diagram, okay. So potentiometer consists of a wire stretched on a wooden board. So now this one is a potentiometer. This one is a primary circuit of potentiometer. Here we have to give the battery, positive, negative. And here plug key. And here resistance. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. A plug key K. EMF E. Plus minus plug key K RH. Okay. Now, so this one is a potentiometer. It starts from this one is a wire. So now A and this part is a B. So here near about 1. So this to this end 1 meter. So that means 100 centimeter. Here metal strip. This part is the metal strip. Again here 100 to here this point is 200. means total is 100 to this point, so total again 100 centimeter, means starts from A, so here this to this distance is 200 centimeter. Again this one is a metal strip, and again this point to this again one more 100, so that is this 200 and here 200, again this 200 again starts from and this point up to 300. Again here metal strip is connected already fixed on wooden board, and again this 300 and finally it comes 400 centimeter, means total. So it may be about maximum length of potentiometer wire is a maximum is 10 meter, but here in experimental way we have to select out of that a 4 meter, that is a 400 centimeter. Okay, so this A is a primary, this one is a, these are called primary circuit. It consists of a battery positive and negative, so negative terminal is connected to plug key K, and a K other terminal is connected to rheostat of fixed terminal. Rheostat of another fix is a empty, so this one is the empty part, and this arrow shows the variable of rheostat is connected to B. Okay, so now here, now as name suggests potentiometer, so now it measures only potential, so we have to measure the potential. So now this we can connect a voltmeter between A, and this voltmeter is connected to a jockey, so this one is a jockey. So now switch on this, plug key switch on. Okay, and now you can, this jockey J keep at point A, so now it shows a deflection, so that is a 0 volt. So now keep this point, so now it will show some deflection, it will give, that gives a measure here. Suppose you are applying here a 3 volt, 2 volt, 5 volt, so that will give here range in the A to B region. That means what? So this battery provides a potential difference across AB. म्हणजे थोडक्यात सांगायचं काय यामध्ये की पोटेन्शियोमीटर मध्ये या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पोटेन्शियल मेजर करायचं आहे. तर हा पोटेन्शियोमीटर यामध्ये A to B मध्ये मी काय जोडलं आहे माहिती आहे का? हा वायर आहे कंप्लीट 0 100, इथंही 100, आणि इथं 200, इथं 200, इथंही 100, म्हणजे इथं 300 झाले, इथं 300, इथंही 100, 1 आणि 2 आणि 3, हे काय आहे माहिती आहे का? मेटल स्ट्रिप्स आहे. 1 2 3 आर दी मेटल स्ट्रिप्स. सो नाव ए इज, मग याला प्रोव्हाइड करायचं आहे काय? व्होल्टेज घ्यायचं आहे, म्हणून मी काय केलं, पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनलला जोडलेलं आहे आणि की कनेक्ट केलं, आर एच कनेक्ट केले. सो ए इज कनेक्टेड टू व्ही अँड दिस इज बस. मग तुम्ही हे की क्लोज केलं, करंट स्टार्ट्स फ्लोइंग. सो नाव ॲट दिस पॉईंट, सो दिस विल गिव्ह अ डिफ्लेक्शन. हा काय वोल्ट मीटर आहे, मग तुम्हाला वोल्ट दाखवेल 0, 0.5 वोल्ट, 1 वोल्ट, 0.75 वोल्ट वगैरे वगैरे. आणि इथं बी पॉईंटपाशी तुम्ही जर टेकवलं का जॉकी म्हणजे काय, जस्ट इट इज ए नियर अबाउट 7 to 8 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ, दॅट इज ए पॉइंटर, सो मेटॅलिक पॉइंटर, सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए जॉकी. जॉकी म्हणजे एक पॉइंटर टाईप असतो आणि त्याचं एक लांबी 7 ते 8 सेंटीमीटर असतं. तो जर एवर ठेवला 0 डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवणार, जसं तुम्ही पॉईंट टू पॉईंट कॉन्टॅक्ट करणार आहे तसं तुम्हाला पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स दाखवणार. सो वेन यू गिव्ह ए पॉईंट टू पॉईंट कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन ए पोटेन्शियोमीटर, सो दॅट विल गिव्ह ए डिफ्लेक्शन. क्लिअर? ओके. मग आता हा झाला, म्हणून याला नाव दिले पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायर, म्हणून याला नाव दिलेलं आहे पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायर. आलं का लक्षात? आता मी आहे ना, सो ना दिस इज अ एक्सपेरिमेंटल वे. मी आता टेम्पररी यामध्ये आहे ना, यामध्ये करंट किती आहे ते बघणार आहोत. सो व्हॉट इज करंट? आता हे पुसून टाकतो. व्हॉट इज करंट? सो करंट इन दी सर्किट, सो I इज इक्वल टू करंट इन द सर्किट पोटेन्शियोमीटर, I इज इक्वल टू E upon V is equal to IR. I is equal to V upon R. So I is equal to V म्हणजे काय EMF, so E divided by R. आता या ठिकाणी R म्हणजे आपण काय घेणार आहोत. ओके, so now this wire resistance R is a resistance of wire. R हे resistance of wire घेणार आहोत. मग नंतर अजून कुठला रेजिस्टन्स, या बॅटरीचा रेजिस्टन्स स्मॉल आर, सो दॅट इज अ इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स. मग नंतर ना आलं का लक्षात, सो दॅट इज अ इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स. नंतर ना आपण जे जोडणार आहे तोही घेणार आहोत, परंतु या ठिकाणी आपल्याला एवढंच घ्यायचं आहे. आय इज इक्वल टू ई इंटू आर प्लस आर. सो नाव हियर दिस सर्किट सेम, दॅट इज कॉल्ड पोटेन्शियोमीटर. So now I current is flowing through the circuit. So now what is I current? So I is equal to EMF E. Total resistance how much? V is equal to IR. तो फॉर्म्युला वापरला. I is equal to V upon R. E upon R plus R. What is R? R is a internal resistance. Capital R is a resistance of wire and E is a EMF. Now we know about VAB, PD across, potential difference across A and B is equal to I into R. So therefore VAB is equal to, what is I? E upon R plus R into R. So now this one is VAB. This one is potential difference between VAB. So now when you can take about VAB upon L, so therefore E is equal to R plus R into R by L. So this VAB is called as a K. So that is called as a potential gradient. Potential gradient. So that is constant. So that is this K is remains constant. So VAB is equal to E upon R plus R into R. So when you can write this, K is equal to E upon R plus R into R by L. From this circuit, the current is this, and VAB, PD, potential difference across AB, VAB equal to I into R. By using Ohm's law, I substituted E upon R plus R. Here E is EMF. Capital R is the resistance of wire, and small r is a internal resistance of battery, of cell, internal resistance of cell. Okay, so VAB upon L is equal to E upon R plus R into R by L. What is L? L is the length of potentiometer. L is the length of potentiometer. So now this VAB upon L is called as a K, where K is a potential gradient. So K is equal to E upon R plus R, R by L. Okay, so now this is now. मग आता बघूया. So now when you can see, मग आता जर मी या ठिकाणी हा पॉइंट P घेतला, so I want to measure the PD across AP. So PD across AP जर घेतला असेल, so that is a VAP. Okay, so that VAP is a directly proportional to length between A and P. So this length is E. So that is VAP proportional to L. So that is VAP is equal to K into L. So now this is the principle of potentiometer. This is the principle of potentiometer. So what is the principle of potentiometer? Potential difference between any 2 points is directly proportional to length between them. Potential difference between any 2 points on potentiometer wire is directly proportional to length between them. So that is the principle of potentiometer. in mathematical formula VAP proportional to L, VAP is equal to K into L, where K is potential gradient, where K is potential gradient. Its SI unit is volt per meter. Volt per meter SI unit मध्ये. Okay, so now this is a potentiometer, and that is this one is a principle of potentiometer. परीक्षेत जर विचारलं, write the principle of potentiometer. Potential difference any two point is directly proportional to distance between them. Okay, so now this one is a theory regarding this. Okay, ठीक आहे, समजलं असेल. परीक्षे दृष्टीने महत्त्वाचं आहे, विचारणार आहे, एकदा बघा. आज आपण इथंच थांबणार आहोत.